fuck it. I guess what he wanted to say with that, okay, bruh. Like, why he thinks I'm his bro? No way. I mean, we're hanging around for one heckin' afternoon and like, you know what? He must be drunk. Yeah, he's drunk all the time. I mean, not that I've never been drunk in a fucking conversation, but oh no, like this must be a plan to use my modestly incredible skills to his advantage. Oh, no, this must be for Sarah, his son. Hey dude, what's up? Yeah, like studying math, for that exam. Alright. Yeah, why? Saturday, 10 p.m. Yeah, sounds great. Yeah, bro, catch you there. See you soon, bye.